Estate planning is obviously a very important process, a very important thing to put in place for you and also for your family, your loved ones. But when should we get them in on the conversation? So often it really depends on the people that we're talking about. So how do you know them to be with important information, with private information? Do they receive it well? Would they misuse it if you shared it? And what's the limit of the type of information that is appropriate to be shared? Usually a threshold thing to share is that you are planning, right? That you do have an estate plan in place and that they're involved in it. You could choose to share document drafts with them during the drafting process. You could choose to include them in review meetings or design meetings or even the funding meeting after the signings happen. It is really practical and very important to make sure that people know that there's a plan in place, where to find it, and probably most importantly, who to reach out to, like the law firm who drafted it, if something should happen, like a health crisis or if you pass away. How much you want to share with your loved ones is really going to be up to you. You could share everything, right? It may not be prudent to give them numbers, right? Where assets are located is probably more important than how much the assets are worth. And really just how they're involved. If they're going to serve in a fiduciary role, like being the trustee or the executor, healthcare agent, or financial agent, making sure that they know where these documents may be, how they access them, and then ultimately what they'll do with them when the time should come. Very important considerations.